Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tacoma fog light. First, let's talk about safety and preparation. Always make sure your truck is turned off and has cooled down before you begin. You'll need a few basic tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. To give yourself plenty of room to work, turn your steering wheel all the way towards the side where you'll be replacing the light. Now that you're prepared, let's get to the fog light itself. You'll need to remove a plastic pin and 2 screws from the front of the black plastic wheel well liner. Use your flathead screwdriver for the pin and the 10mm socket for the screws. Once those are out, gently pull the wheel well liner back. This will give you a clear view and easy access to the back of the fog light housing. With the fog light housing exposed, replacing the bulb is straightforward. First, press the small release tab on the electrical connector and slide it off the old bulb. Next, rotate the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out. Now, insert your new bulb, rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it, and firmly push the electrical connector back onto its base until it clicks. You're almost done. Carefully push the wheel well liner back into its proper place, aligning the holes. Reinstall the 2 screws with your 10mm socket and secure the plastic pin. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights and activate the fog light switch to ensure your new light is working perfectly. Great job! You've successfully replaced your fog light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.